now I can go ahead and start to place some of the pumpkins. So for these, I'm going to have to place the royal icing underneath. First, I like to, you know, as you saw, I just took it and I kind of looked to see if I liked it there, and then come back and go ahead and pop it on. You may need to hold it there for a minute or two. Because I can still see, even though I have the straw here, I can still see the mound, and even though it's the back of the cake, I mean, depending where the reception is, you don't always know if there's a back or not, or maybe there's a mirror behind you. So you always want to make sure you finish all angles of the cake. So this one I'll actually pop right there. See, sometimes I'll actually place the pumpkin there and then lift it up and place the royal icing, because then you'll know where the royal icing is actually going to touch, or the pumpkin is actually going to touch the cake to secure it. Okay. All right, and one other element I wanted to do is I wanted to give it a little bit more height, and I just wanted to do these like little twig type things. So this is where the wire that I showed you earlier comes in handy. So this is the 18 gauge wire, and you just take some wire cutters, cut a piece off, and then the dark brown floral tape. Floral tape comes in all colors, green, about 3 different shades of green actually. And then just take it, place it on there, and start to twist and pull. Because once you start to pull, that's what makes the tape actually stick. Okay, so I'm twisting with these fingers like this and just pulling. So I'm taut right here. Now as I come to the end of the wire, I keep twisting. I end up just twisting the tape, and then I just usually pull it off. Okay, and then twist it one more time. Now you just want to take anything that you have handy, either a dowel or the back of a paintbrush. Here's a dowel right here. And this is the bottom. This is the skinny part, the top. You just want to take it and you want to twist it. Okay, and then pull this out, and then you have little twiggy type things. So you can bend them. Okay, if I used a larger dowel, something like this, then obviously these would be bigger twists. Okay, so I have a whole bunch right here already finished. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 on the top, so I'll have 2 coming out on that side, and then 1 more. They're stuck. This longer one. You always have to look at the front of the cake. I'm going to have it come in from way back here. Okay, now this pumpkin is moved, so now I can actually see where that brown royal icing is, so I need to adjust that.